हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बसंत यादव आज इंग्लिश क्लास 11 में हार्नबिल बुक का पोएम चाइल्डहुड पर डिस्कस करूंगा, जिसे फेमस पोएट मार्कस नॉर्टन द्वारा लिखा गया है। इसे कंसंट्रेट होकर सीखें। पोएम को शुरू करने से पहले इसकी थीम जानेंगे, फिर इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन होगा। लेट्स बिगिन द थीम ऑफ द चाइल्डहुड। द पोएट टेक्स्ट अबाउट हिज चाइल्डहुड which is lost long back. He wants to know when did it go. He himself tries to answer this cue, but is not satisfied. At last, he wants to know where has it gone, and then he gets the answer that is hidden in Frank's face. Let's begin. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be watched that day? In this poem, the poet wonders about when his childhood came to an end. He asked himself, was it the day he was no longer 11 years old? Was it the day when he realized that hell and heaven existed and yet could not be found in geography or on the map? He realized they are imaginary places that actually do not exist in this world. The second stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talk of love and preach of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? In this second stanza, the poet again repeats the same questions about when did his childhood go. He wondered about the day when he started seeing the world with a new perception, that adults are hypocrites and are not how they seem to be. The adults who talk of love and preach of love and yet never behave so lovingly. They are double-faced in really. Was that the day when this childhood go? When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? In this poem, the poet deliberates the same questions about when he lost his childhood. He asked himself about possibilities. He wonders about the day he realized that his mind was his own and could use it the way he wants. When he realized that he could produce his own thoughts which were not bound by anything. When he sensed his own individuality and a separate personality, was that the day he lost his childhood. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in infant's face. That is all known. In this lost stanza, the poet remorses about his lost childhood. He concluded that his childhood had gone to same forgotten places, which will never come back. He cherished his innocence, which vanished now and could be only seen in baby's face. He only had sweet memories of his childhood, which would soon fade away. He also conveyed a message that the innocence of childhood stays till the time one is an infant, and that is all he knows. Thanks.